The mission of the construction management program at Cal Poly is to produce future leaders of the construction industry. We differentiate our experiential learning at Cal Poly by including a lot of innovative, cutting-edge technologies from day one. We want our students to start with the digital mindset as they develop their construction knowledge and insight. Forma for construction is a huge asset for our students as they take interdisciplinary design build studio.
The primary goal was to replicate a real project and to deal with similar conditions that you would deal with in the field. Forma for construction really lends itself well to communicate the different deliveries and workflows throughout a job site.
All those majors can work together. They can review all of the design issues before the groundbreaking date.
We're able to not only replicate the job site in the classroom, but really bring the job site into the classroom.
Our university developed a strategic plan to develop $1.5 billion student housing projects on campus. The project will provide more than 4,000 beds in 9 different new buildings. It has been a living lab for our students.
We have students weekly flying drones over to get progress reports that then we're generating to the GC team.
Main general contractor hired 12 interns last summer. That experience helped them grow a lot faster as construction professionals.
The affordable housing competition is really unique because it allows students to learn by doing, because they get to develop these interdisciplinary teams and they get to work together to develop an affordable housing proposal, prepare a design, and it also allows us to see what this newer generation might want to see in housing projects.
One of the big challenges that our team faced during the competition was really understanding the constructability of the issues that we were looking at. It's really important to be able to share and collaborate as quickly as possible. We use Navisworks a lot to navigate around the model, perform clash detection, save viewpoints for coordination. We're able to go back into the Revit model, look at the constructability issues and propose potential solutions and see if those proposed changes will work with the rest of the model.
So all of those internship experiences and experiential learning backed by the digital technologies like Forma for construction, that's the reason why we have been enjoying 100% job placement every year.
Being able to work with these softwares in my internships and in the classroom, embracing the learn by doing mentality that Cal Poly puts forward has helped me feel confident and prepared for life post-grad.